Hey guys, it's Alexis and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Atlantic City. I just got here. I'm waiting for my mom and my sisters because I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna just give you a quick little room tour while I'm here alone. So I'll start with the bathroom. Just the basic, ordinary bathroom. It's cute or whatever. It's cute. Then we got a little mirror right here. And then, you know, we got the double beds. Andrew's not here with me. It's just me and the girls and my mom. So we just got us a room with 2 beds instead of getting like all separate rooms. And this is our view from our room. Isn't it cute? But yeah, they got us this little couch over here. I know my stuff is a mess, but yeah, you guys get the jizz. But yeah, it's cute. It's cuter than my last room. I'm not really into these carpets that they be having, but it's cute. And I will be making the best of it because I go back to work on Tuesday. So I'm trying to have fun these last couple of days because I know once I go back to work. But yeah, I'm waiting for them. They should be here real soon. Oh, and they got a little cute little vanity section over here too to do your makeup and your hair. That's cute. I don't know if you guys ever been to Atlantic City, but you guys, I kind of have a little view of how it looks. Let me try to zoom in so you guys could see a little bit more. You know, when it comes to zoom on this camera, I really just don't touch it at all. But yeah, this is some of the hotels. I'm staying at the Harris, and the Harris is kind of like on the other side, and then everything else is like near the boardwalk. But I just like come into Harris because I like the pool. But yeah, that's the little view. It looks like it's gonna rain, but it's not. It's not gonna rain. Hopefully it doesn't. Fingers crossed. Oh gosh, I think it's gonna rain. It's not gonna rain. It's not gonna rain. I'm not close. They're here. Woo! We're about to go get some dinner, but they just got here like an hour ago. We're gonna have a fun time. Fun time.
Ew, look at her face. She was like.
So we're just on the boardwalk, walking into our reservation. It's actually a lot settled, like since when I came before, it was like packed, and now it's just like, you know, chilled. I guess people was finding other things to do, so it's not so bad. But yeah, we're just gonna walk around a little bit before we go get some dinner. You keep feeling those wobbly spots like you about to cave in.
I don't like it.
What you said?
I don't like all these boards.
Oh yeah, they are a little. Everything 99 cents. You want to go?
Yeah.
We'll get some 99 cents.
Be careful, Katie. It's these things over here. Okay.
Look, Katie, you can get you some sunglasses for 99 cents.
Or some face masks.
Does it say Atlantic City?
Ball out, Katie. What you want?
This looks like a garbage.
What the heck is this?
Oh, baby, you gotta put that back. You don't want that. Oh, look, they got some little cute, like different types of masks.
Something stupid? Huh?
All she gonna do is go find snacks. It ain't nothing in here. Unless you're gonna get one of those little, come over here and get the little paddle balls with the stick in the ball. You know those? Little duckies. Yeah, let's just save the money for the carnival tomorrow because it ain't nothing in here. Hey, Mama.
Hey.
I'm buying some face masks.
Those face masks were cute. So we're at Carmine's and we got some calamari and some Caesar salad. Katie, how was the calamari?
Tastes like fried shrimp.
You wasn't into it?
She like this.
I don't like fried shrimp.
You didn't like it?
It's okay.
We have some shrimp scampi and then we have some lasagna. Carmine's, they usually do like family style here. Well, they always do family style.
Cheese it.
Katie, you excited? Let me see if I can. Make sure you locked up, Katie. You checked it? You shook it a little bit? She got a seatbelt on? Her seatbelt is on? Oh, it's no seatbelt? All right. I feel like they ain't even shaking a little bit. My legs would be all cramped by now. Right. No ticket must get wasted, even if we gotta get on a kiddie ride.
This is stupid.
Listen, these tickets is expensive. We gonna get on this ride. If this is the only thing that we could get with these last tickets we got. It's a little, oh, I'm getting a little dizzy. Hey guys, I'm back from Atlantic City. I had so much fun with my family. You know, I really wanted to make sure that before the end of the summer, I got to do something fun. You know, too bad my dad wasn't there, but I'll see him. I'll probably go back to my parents' house, like, in the next month or so just to visit them. But I had a really good time. The only thing about it is I gambled a little bit too much. Like, I didn't lose a lot of money because I wasn't trying to play with too much money, but I did gamble more than I wanted to gamble. So like when I first got there, right, I won $138 and then I played back $20. It was like something and it got it down to 98. So I'm like, you know what, I got this $100. Let me just leave it because I want to actually feel like I won something. So then the next day I played again and I was having so much bad luck. And then, you know, like when you start gambling and you have bad luck, you like, I want to get my money back. So I started doing that and then it went all downhill. So like I lost that plus like another 100. So I was just like over it. Like I ain't got no money to be wasting, but it was still fun. So I kind of, sometimes when I gamble in Atlantic City, I kind of say like it's a part of the festivities. So I don't feel like I'm just giving away money. It's kind of a way of thinking of it, but yeah, but hopefully my next travel vlog is like somewhere on an island, somewhere nice, because like if the world was normal, I probably would have been so many places like by now, but I can't focus on that because, you know, I got good health. So we can't focus on not being able to travel because there's so many people that is going through way worse. But your girl is ready to go somewhere, and I think I'm gonna go to Mexico for Andrew's birthday. I just gotta work the days out with work to see if I can get the days off, but he's turning 31. Last year for his 30th, I took him to Paris, but this year, I always like to go away for birthdays. I don't ever like to do anything here. I feel like I could use all that money and go on a vacation. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put I go back to work this week. Well, I went back to work yesterday. I'm making this today. But I'm gonna put the days in to see if I can go to Mexico. And then if that gets approved, then I think we going to Mexico. And then I'll have a real travel vlog for you guys because I miss traveling so much. I really do. This year I was supposed to go to Vegas for my birthday, but you know, the world happened. So I didn't go. I got most of my credit, like flight credit back, but I still have like a little bit left. So I want to use that. So I think I'm going to use that credit so that we can go to Mexico. And then we'll stay in like a really nice resort. Something cute, something safe. We'll probably go to either Cancun or Tulum. I don't know. I know Tulum is like the wave right now, but it's just, I don't really care to follow the trends because like, I want it to be something there for me to do. And I know, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things for me to do in Tulum, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna see, because I like staying at all-inclusives, and I realize that Tulum doesn't really have that much. It's more so like Airbnbs and like penthouses and like villas and stuff like that, and I like that, but I kind of just want to relax, so I gotta see. But if you guys like this vlog, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. All I gotta do is work on getting my watch time up, but other than that, I've been doing really good with my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe if you're not subscribed at all, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.